Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can check the battery on your AirTag for iPhones. So unfortunately Apple removed the feature to directly check the battery on your AirTag so you can track throughout time how much battery you still have left. But you can check if your battery is low on the AirTag. So let's get right into it. Open up your iOS phone, go onto the Find My app where you can find your AirTag. In the Find My app, you have three different options, either the items, people, or devices, and we want to go onto items, and right there you can see your AirTag. Now, if your AirTag does not have any battery left, or if it's on low battery, you'll see a low battery symbol next to that AirTag that has low battery. So then you can just open it up. You just want to press down on this silver part and then turn counterclockwise, and then you can take out the battery and change it to a new one. You can get these batteries at any store, so just go into your local store, buy a new battery, and then you can switch it out. And yeah, so that's how you can check if your battery is low. Unfortunately, you can't track it throughout time, so batteries last around a year, but it depends on how much you use the AirTag, what features you have on, etc. And yeah, that's how you can do that. If you have any more questions, just comment down below, and I'll be happy to help you, and drop a like and subscribe if this helped you out.